Ram Ram. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो शारदा शारदाम्बोजवदना वदनाम्बुजे सर्वदा सर्वदास्माकं सन्निधिं सन्निधिं क्रियात् हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत् विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ असाध्य साधक स्वामिन् असाध्यं तव किं वद रामदूत दया सिन्धो मत्कार्यं साधय प्रभो Ram Ram Ram. Welcome to all of you for today's class of learning to chant Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. In the last class, we learned some of the pronunciation tips on how to be accurately pronouncing some of the letters. Alpaprana, Mahaprana, Vyanjana, Visarga, Anuswara, etc. Few other things. Hopefully with all those knowledge, we will be able to chant shlokas much more accurately. If the question is, sir, I missed yesterday, last class, what do I do? So there will be recording which will be uploaded on the YouTube. Please go visit. In fact, in most of the chanting courses from Vyoma, these pronunciation tips are there. In all of these, it will be covered. So any you can have a look at any of those. But of course, last week's class will be uploaded on YouTube. You can go visit there, and you will be able to understand. Sir, I went through the class, but maybe at that point of time I understood. Now I forgot. What do I do? Or many of the things I didn't even understand. Is it mandatory for me to remember all the things at all the times? It will be good that if you remember all those things, and when we pronounce each and every letter, when we pronounce, it will be helpful for us to kind of pronounce accurately. In the event that you are not able to, when we are teaching each shlokas, please listen carefully and start repeating the way we are teaching it. So that will be enough. So you will be able to kind of pronounce or chant the shloka with accurate pronunciation. So that should be okay too. With that recap, we will move on to chanting the shlokas. I guess we had learnt about 14 shlokas in the Purva Pitika. We will chant those 14 shlokas and then we will continue. There is one more request that, like I guess we had told this in some of the earlier classes. We will in every class we will try to learn about 10 new shlokas in each class. That is the target. Based on Bhagavat Sankalpa, it will run. At the end of the class, we will try to revise the shlokas and also give a chance for some of you to get practice the shlokas. This is only based on the time, depending on, let's say, if we finish at 7:50, 7:55, maybe next 5 minutes we'll spend on kind of doing the practice for some of you. but I should definitely tell this at this point of time that it will be practical. It is not practical to give chance to everyone in every class, because as I see today, there are about 129 people. Of course, it will the number of participants will increase. Let's assume that even if 50% of 129 people, about 60 people raise hand, if I have to give chance for all 60 people to chant on a day-to-day basis in the every class, we have to only keep chanting, give chant time for practicing and not for teaching the new shlokas. So hence it will not be practical to give chance to everyone. But the request there is, we will try to be accommodative and cooperative with people. So if I get a chance today, maybe next 3 classes I will not raise my hand for the practice, so that I give chance for others also to practice. That is how we will try to do it. So once if I get a chance today, please do not raise your hand for next 3 weeks for practicing. Let others also get chance. Maybe after 3 or 4 weeks we will try to do it. You can raise your hands and try to get the chance, right? In the event that, sir, I raise my hand every week but I don't get the chance at all, Bhagavad Sankalpa is maybe that Bhagavan wants you to chant alone in your heart, your houses. That's how we will think, and then we will try to practice on ourselves. And maybe when we have the practice sessions, so there will be some classes only for practice. At that point of time, we will try to give chance for most people. Even at that point of time, I will not be able to say that we'll give chance to everyone. We will try to give chance to most people. We will try, and maybe then you will get a chance. So if you do not get a chance in these classes for chanting, please do not be mistake, or do not get disheartened. Oh, I didn't get a chance. What do I do? Don't worry, we'll keep raising, and then as the Bhagavad Sankalpa is there, that is how it will happen. As I said in the first class, the prominent reason that we are here is only because of the Bhagavad Sankalpa. Bhagavan has sent us to be attending this class. So as the way Bhagavan says, we will run the class. That's how we will continue. Okay, with that, we will continue. And again, one more request is, as till the time I say raise your hands, please do not, I will not be looking at raising hands, people who have raised the hands. I will look at only in the end, for either when we have time for questions or for the practice session. Till the time, I will not even be looking at, we will only focus on learning the new shlokas. With that, we'll continue. ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. शिवानी.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये.
व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातन्तपोनिधिम्.
व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः.
अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे.
यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते. नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे. ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे.
श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत।
श्रीयुधिष्ठिर उवाच किमेकं दैवतल्लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणं स्तुवन्तः कङ्कमर्चन्तः प्राप्नुयुर्मानवाः शुभम्।
Please repeat the shloka. Shivani, please repeat the shloka. Shri Yudhishthira Uvacha.
श्रीयुधिष्ठिर उवाच किमेकं दैवतल्लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणं स्तुवन्तः कङ्कमर्चन्तः प्राप्नुयुर्मानवाः शुभम्।
को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किंजपन्मुच्यते जन्तुः जन्म संसारबन्धनात्।
श्रीभीष्म उवाच जगत्प्रभुं देवदेवम् अनन्तं पुरुषोत्तमम् स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषः सततोत्थितः।
तमेव चार्चयन् नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम् ध्यायन् स्तुवन्नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च।
अनादिनिधनौ विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम् लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिगो भवेत्।
ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनम् लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम्।
एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा।
I guess we had learned till here. We will learn from the next shloka. Paramayyo mahattejah.
परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तेजः
परमय्यो महत्तपः
परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महत्तपः
परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म
परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म
परमय्यः परायणम्
परमय्यः परायणम् परमय्यः परायणम्।
So this shloka is a classic example for anuswara followed by yakara. In all the four padas, paramam is followed, paramam anuswara is followed by yakara. Hence it is paramayyo. Everywhere it is paramayyo, 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 paramayyo mahattejah, paramayyo mahattapah, paramayyo mahadbrahma, paramayyah parayinam. That is the first one to note. Paramayyo, that is how it is pronounced. Paramayyo mahattejah, there is ta, half ta and full ta. Mahattejah, paramayyo mahattapah. Again here half ta and full ta. Mahattapah, paramayyo mahadbrahma, half the ba and ra, So there are 3 letters. Mahad Brahma, Bara, Mahad Brahma, and again here Ma and Ha, Brahma. Mahad Brahma, Paramayah Parayanam. Ya followed by Visarga and followed by Pakara, hence it is Yaf Parayanam. Yaf Parayanam, Paramayah Parayanam. We'll keep all these things in mind while chanting this shloka. Paramayyo Mahattejah, Paramayyo Mahattapah.
परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः
परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्
परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम् परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्
परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्
परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम् परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्
पवित्राणां पवित्रयः
पवित्राणां पवित्रयः पवित्राणां पवित्रयः
मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम्
मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम्
दैवतं दैवतानां च
दैवतं दैवतानां च दैवतं दैवतानां च
भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता
भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता
पवित्राणां, this is tra, पवित्राणां, na is dirgha followed by anuswara. पवित्राणां पवित्रं यः, पवित्रं यः, follow पवित्रं यः because it is anuswara followed by yakara. पवित्रं यः मंगलानां च, मंगलानां च झञ्ञ च मंगलानां च मंगलम दैवतं दैवतानां, hence it is, since anuswara is followed by dakara, nakara comes there. Daivatan daivatan daivatanan daivatanam cha daivatanam cha jhanya again. Daivatan daivatanan cha bhutanam bha mahaprana bhutanam yo vyayah pita visarga followed by pakara, hence it is vyayah पिता यो व्ययः पिता पवित्राणां पवित्रयः मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम्
पवित्राणां पवित्रयः मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् पवित्राणां पवित्रयः मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम्
दैवतं दैवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता
दैवतं दैवतानां च भूतानां व्ययः पिता दैवतं दैवतानां च भूतानां व्ययः पिता
पवित्राणां पवित्रं यः मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् दैवतं दैवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता
पवित्राणां पवित्रं यः मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् दैवतं दैवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता पवित्राणां पवित्रं यः मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् दैवतं दैवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि
भवन्त्यादियुगागमे
भवन्त्यादियुगागमे भवन्त्यादियुगागमे
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति
पुनरेव युगक्षये
पुनरेव युगक्षये पुनरेव युगक्षये
यतः सर्वाणि यतः सर्वाणि there is doubles are there यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भा महाप्राण and ऊकार दीर्घ भूतानि भवन्त्यादि युगागमे भ is महाप्राण भव हाफ्न हाफ्त या अन्त्य भवन्त्य भवन्त्यादि युगागमे ga is दीर्घ then the next ga is hrasva युगागमे यस्मिंश्च स ma sh cha there are 4 letters यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं पर प्रलयं यान्ति anuswara followed by yakara hence it is pralayam yanti पुनरेव युगक्षये यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
one more thing which all of you should note while we are while we are chanting we are saying yata sarvani bhutani yanti we are not chanting yata sarvani bhutani pralay yasmimscha pralayam yanti we are not chanting neither Shivani nor we are not chanting because it is hrasva yata sarvani bhutani we should not be chanting bhutani. Similarly, yanti, there is no dirgha, it is only hasva. Okay, keep that also in mind. Yatas sarvani bhutani bhavantyadi yugagame. यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य
जगन्नाथस्य भूपते
जगन्नाथस्य भूपते
विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे
विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे
शृणु पापभयापहम्
शृणु पापभयापहम्
तस्य लोक प्रधानस्य ध is Mahaprana पर लोक pradhanasya. While we are chanting, even though I guess we haven't covered this, but while we are chanting, we do not say loka pradhanasya, but we chant it as loka pradhanasya. There is a slightly stress on pakara. Loka pradhanasya. Please chant it like that. We will not get into the grammatical reasoning why it is, but for now, maybe in when we get into other courses, we will talk more about it. But for now, learn it as tasya loka pradhanasya. Pa is we call it as dvitva. Pa loka pradhanasya jagannathasya bhupate. Jagannath, there is a double na there. Na jagannatha. Tha is Mahaprana. Sa and ya. Jagannathasya भूपते. भा is Mahaprana. भूपते. विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रम. विष्णोर्नाम, there is refa and na dirgha. नाम सहस्रम मे शृणु पाप भयापहम. भा is Mahaprana. भयापहम. तस्य लोक प्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते.
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते
विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्.
विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्. विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्.
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्.
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्. तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्
यानि नामानि गौणानि
यानि नामानि गौणानि यानि नामानि गौणानि
विख्यातानि महात्मनः
विख्यातानि महात्मनः विख्यातानि महात्मनः
ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि
ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि
तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
यानि नामानि ना is dirgha ma is also dirgha ni hrasva नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि kha is mahaprana विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि bha is mahaprana visarga followed by pa hence it is ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि क्ष and ya वक्ष्यामि भूतये bha is mahaprana यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः
ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य
वेदव्यासो महामुनिः
वेदव्यासो महामुनिः वेदव्यासो महामुनिः
छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः
छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः
भगवान् देवकीसुतः
भगवान् देवकीसुतः भगवान् देवकीसुतः
ऋषिर्नाम्नां ऋषि shakara na and refa ऋषिर्नाम्नां ma is there na is there namnam both the letters we have to pronounce very clearly dirgha and followed by anuswara ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् छ महाप्राण छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा था दीर्घ एंड महाप्राण तथा देवः भगवान भ महाप्राण देवकी सुतः की इज दीर्घ देवकी सुतः ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः
छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः
छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजम्
अमृतांशूद्भवो बीजम् अमृतांशूद्भवो बीजम्
शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः
शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य
शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
अमृतां शूद्भवो अमृत अमृतां शूद्भवो भ महाप्राण द एंड भ शूद्भवो बीजम शक्तिर्देवकी नंदनः हियर क एंड द शक्ति शक्तिर्देवकी द एंड रेफा शक्तिर्देवकी नंदनः त्रिसामा मा इज दीर्घ हृदयं तस्य हृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे न त and ya there are three letters shantya natya ntya शान्त्यर्थे था महाप्राण ते and रेफा शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते again here you half ja ya te विनियुज्यते ज्या let's pronounce all those letters very clearly अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकी नंदनः
अमृतांशूद्भवो बीजम् शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः अमृतांशूद्भवो बीजम् शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
अमृतांशोद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते अमृतांशोद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं
विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं
प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम्
प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम्
अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तम्
अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तम्
नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्
नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम् नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्
विष्णुं जिष्णुं. Here in both the places it's a shakara, Vishnum Jishnum. Since here Anuswara followed by ja, it will be nya. Vishnun Jishnum, nya and ja. Vishnun Jishnum, Mahavishnum, Vishnun Jishnum, Mahavishnum, Prabha Vishnum, Bha Mahaprana, Prabha Vishnum, Maheshwaram. Vishnun Jishnum, Mahavishnum, Prabha Vishnum, Maheshwaram. Aneka Rupa Daityantam, ta and ya, dirgha, tya, na and ta, Daityantam, namami, Purushottamam. Here it is half ta and full ta, Purushottamam. Vishnun Jishnum Mahavishnum, Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram.
विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम्
अनेकरूपदैत्यांतं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्.
अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्
विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यांतं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्.
विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम् विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्.
We'll stop for the new shlokas. We will see all the new shlokas that we chant today. परमयो महत् महत्तेजः परमयो महत्तपः परमयो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम् पवित्राणां पवित्रं यः मंगलानां च मंगलम् दैवतं दैवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम् यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकी नन्दनः त्रिसामा हृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्. Okay, what we'll do is we will try to practice the shlokas that we learned. Maybe we'll do it from first shloka. Shuklambaradharam. People who want to practice can raise your hands. We can start giving chance to as many people as possible. Krishnan Yoga. You can unmute and chant the first shloka. You will be able to unmute now and chant the shloka.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnan Chaturbhujam Prasanavadanan Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashante.
Uttamam. So the only one small observation is it is Prasanna Vadanam. There is two nakaras there. Prasanna Vadanam. Yeah, otherwise it was perfectly okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Vinay Mishra. Narayanam.
Narayanam. Narayanam.
Krishnan Mahodaya, please mute yourself.
Okay.
Narayanan Namaskritya Naraichaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet.
Uttam. Good try. Only one small observation again. Narayanan Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam. Only the second pada I couldn't hear clearly. So you can practice well.
Naranchaiva Narottamam.
Uttama. Very good. Next is
Sir, one question.
Please go ahead.
In 15th sloka, Parmam yo mahat teja, Parmam yo mahat tapa. So mahat teja is followed by Parmam. So if Pakara is there, when combining both pada, mahat teja Visarga is fa.
Correct.
Visarga will be fa.
Correct. Yes. So what is happening there is correct. What you're saying is correct. I am happy that you've understood that. The only thing is, since we are splitting there, paramayo mahattejaha, paramayo mahattapaha. Since we are splitting, the fakara is not coming there. Ha is not coming there. Otherwise, it is paramayo mahattejah, paramayo mahattapaha, paramayo mahadbrahma, paramayah parayanam. If we join
Okay,
and
thank
tell
you.
together, we will chant. That's how we will chant. Since we are
Okay,
splitting,
thank
that
you.
is not coming. Dhanyavada.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
You can go on mute. Tirupant, third sloka. Vyasam vasishtha naptaram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram.
व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातन्तपोनिधिम्.
Small observation is Parasharatmajam Vande. We do not say Parasharatmajam Vande. While it is also correct, we try to practice Parasharatmajam Vande.
Ram Ram, sir, one quick question. On number 21, Anuswara followed by Sha, is it going to be pronounced as Ma or Na? On Amritam Shudbhavo or Amritan Shudbhavo?
Amritam Shudbhavo. Ma. Amritam Shudbhavo. There is no nakara there.
Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad.
Next is Dhaya. Fourth sloka. Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya.
व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः.
Atyuttamam. Very nice. Very nice. Good pronunciation of all the Mahapranas. Very nice. Kamala Shankar. Avikaraya Shuddhaya.
अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे.
Uttamam. Meghalata. Yasya
स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते तस्मै प्रभविष्णवे.
Okay, I guess there is somebody else. Somebody else also who is not muted. Only I guess it was Kamala Shankar who was chanting now, right? It was correct. Please, after chanting, please mute yourself so that it won't disturb others from chanting. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Atmaram Khartiwada. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
वैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण
श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्माणशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषतः.
Bhashata, that's all. There is no visarga. Punarevabhya bhashata. There is no visarga after ta. Punarevabhya bhashata. That is one. The other thing also, I guess, got covered in the last class is difference between sa, sha, and sha. So here in the second line, Yudhishthira Shantanavam. It is sha. We should not be chanting there sa. I understand there could be for many of us, there could be some mother tongue influence also, because of which some of these things will come. So we'll try to chant as much as possible sa, sha, and sha explicitly. Yudhishthira Shantanavam.
I'm confusing in three letters: Sha, Talabya, Sa, Murdhanya, Sa, Advantya, Sa. How to pronounce? Confusing, sir.
Correct. So practice will come. So here, sheshena, when you, as you can see in the first line, dharmana sheshena. So that's how it is. Here there is no here sarvashah. Here pavanani cha sarvashah. First line I will chant once again so that you will be able to see all the three letters. Shrutva dharmana sheshena pavanani cha sarvashah. That's how it needs to be chanted. Practice, it will come definitely. Dhanyavadaha. Others, please go on mute. Ujjwal. Shri Yudhishthira Uvacha.
Shri Yudhishthira Uvacha. Kimekam daivatam loke kim vapyekam parayanam stuvantah kankamarchantah prapnuyurmanava shubham.
Uttama. In all the places, the Anuswara was correctly pronounced, except here, Kimekan Daivatam, which was correct. Daivatan Loke. Here it is La. Daivatan Loke. Kim Vapyekam. So that is how it needs to pronounce, which is good. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Aparna Gauri. Ko dharmaha.
को धर्म सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किञ्जपन्मुच्यते जन्तुः जन्म संसारबन्धनात्.
Uttama.
धन्यवाद.
Jai Shri Suresh. Shri Bhishma Uvacha.
Shri Bhishmovacha Jagatprabhun Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam Stuvannam Sahasrena Purusha Satatotitaha.
Uttama. So the second line you corrected yourself, which is good. Stuvannama Sahasrena Purusha Satatothitaha. There is Mahakana there. Satatothitaha. Keep that in mind. Dhanyavadaha. All others, please be on mute. Next is Manas De. Tameva Chachayan Nityam.
Tamiva charchayan nityam bhaktya purushamabhyayam yayan namasyanscha yajamanastamiva cha.
Uttamam. It is in the second line, Dhyayan Stuvan Namasyamscha. Namasyamscha.
Namasyascha. Syamschana, M sound will be there.
Yeah, Namasyamscha. Namasyamscha. That is the Anuswara.
Yeah. Yam, yes, Shaw is there, so more sound will be there. Anuswara will be replaced by more sound.
Correct, yes.
Yes, sir. Actually, one person asked you regarding that when the Visarga was there followed by P. So you want to say that if within a pada, Visarga is followed by a word starting with P, pa, then Visarga will be replaced with the fa-like sound. But if in after the Padanto, the Visarga will remain as it will be sounded as Visarga itself, right?
Correct, yes. So it is based on how we chant. If we chant the full line together, even if it is at the end of the pada, if we chant join together, the pakara will come. Paramayo mahatteja, paramayo mahattapaha. That's how it will be. But if you split, paramayo mahatteja, paramayo mahattapaha, there it.
So both are correct. Both way is correct.
Yes. Both is correct. Both are correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Next is Tara. Anadinidhanam Vishnum.
Anadinidhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheeshwaram Lokadhyaksham Stuvan Nityam Sarvadukhadigo Bhavet.
Uttamam. Sarva dukkatigo bhavet. Du visarga followed by kha mahaprana. Sarva dukkati. Otherwise it was correct. Okay, we are on time. So I'm sorry for other people who have not been able to get chance. Again, request is people who have got chance today, please do not raise hand in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Let others get chance. People who have not got chance today, please raise your hands next week. Hopefully in the next class we'll be able to give chance. Hopefully we'll be able to get chance there. With that, we'll end our today's class. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, सर्वे संतु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Ram Ram Ram. See all of you in the next class. Ram Ram Ram.